You know, if I had to compare it to something, I would say this is Gulf Power of Florida's Katrina. We arrived on Thursday, and we were assigned Greenwood substation. And so since we've been here, we've been doing a lot of assessing the damage. One of our main priorities was getting power back on to the Gulf Coast Hospital here in Panama City. And so when we arrived, again, that was our main focus. We got that part of the sub assessed and pretty much focused all of our 100-man Mississippi power team on that feeder to get that restored. Gulf was able to provide us with about 150 additional resources to help us with that. We've been able to replace approximately 120 poles. We're looking initially, we were looking at probably somewhere between 800 and 1,000 poles that have been broke. All of the wire completely is pretty much on the ground. And again, this serves, you know, a pretty heavily commercial industrial area of Panama City. And so again, all of the feeders, mainline feeders, are pretty much on the ground. Damage is just, it really is devastating. The hurricane, you know, pretty much, like I said, took every pole, every line, and laid it on the ground. A lot of businesses and houses have been destroyed from what we've seen.